Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 372 XP chainsaw. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain. It's a Husqvarna bar with a skip tooth 3/8 chain, chisel bit tooth. Take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is on the left here. Choke is on the upper right. Has the operator presence lever. This saw won't throttle up unless you have your hand in place. The trigger won't move until you push this lever down. Nice safety feature. Has a hand guard right here. Helps protect your hand in case of a chain throwing incident. A little protection there. Also functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression motor. Get your foot in place. Good grip on the handlebars, and you start this high compression motor. Has the double falling spikes, dual port muffler, which is a real nice feature. You can see we got a port up underneath here, the factory port, and then off to the side there on the left there's a auxiliary port. Working chain brake. Nice falling spikes there. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up. And right on the side there, right back here behind the rear bar stud, is your tensioner for your adjuster. Decompression valve right in here, a little blue button. Push that in when starting this high compression motor. Pops out automatically when the saw starts. Just remember to always push it in. There's the heavy duty filter system. It's a real nice feature. Just a very nice chainsaw. Very powerful. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.